Hey everyone, this is Mike from Altair, and today we're here with the Altair Outlaw SE, talking about recording video to a micro SD card and how to do it with the drone. So it's important that you put the micro SD card into the micro SD card slot prior to putting the battery into the drone. So follow the instructions on the little graphic there and put the micro SD card in until it clicks. Whoa. Okay, and it's in. And then you just start up the drone as you would normally. So you turn the controller on first, put the battery in, secure it. Now we wait for it to connect. It takes about 8 seconds. You'll hear another beep on the controller. And then you do the compass calibration. So you rotate 3 times until the lights change. And then you rotate 3 times vertically, so the lights change. And then, now you just go through the steps to connect the drone to your phone, which is you just go into your Wi-Fi settings in your phone, find the drone right here, connect to the drone, go out of there, open up the X-Drone app, this way, and should be connected. So now we're getting video. Okay, and what you want to see then is on the right side of your phone, you click video, and that'll turn red and you'll get a little video icon. You press record and you see this TF right there. It means you're recording to a memory card and you're not recording to your phone. So that's how you record video to a memory card with the Altair Outlaw SE.